Hi guys, this is the common misconception about life insurance. Let's go! Mayaman lang ang kayang mag-afford. Hindi. May iba't ibang insurance plan na pwedeng i-match sa budget mo or financial goals mo. Hindi kailangang maging mayaman para maging protected. Bata pa ako. Exactly. Being young is an advantage. Mas magandang pag-isipan ng proteksyon habang bata ka pa at may income ka na. Healthy naman ako. That's good. Pero di natin alam kung anong pwedeng mangyari sa future. Habang healthy ka pa, magandang panahon para maging prepared. Dagdag gastos lang yan. Valid naman na isipin mo yan. Pero insurance isn't simply another expense. It's your protection against a potential financial burden kapag may unexpected na nangyari sa'yo. May savings naman ako. Good. But savings and insurance have different purposes. Savings can help to reach your goal. But insurance provide protection to your savings. Pwede naman ako kumuha kapag kailangan ko na. The challenge is kapag kailangan mo na talaga. Pwede ka naman kumuha pero baka hindi na maging madali. That's why preparation matters. Baka di ko naman magamit. Hopefully, you won't need to use it. But that's the point of the protection. You prepare for something you hope never happens. Hindi ko pa priority. Maybe it's not your biggest priority today. But ask yourself, if something unexpected happened to you tomorrow, ready ba ang finances mo? Hindi natin kailangang hintayin na problema bago tayo maging prepared. Better ready than sorry. Pema na ako.